So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2006. So, in this question, they are trying to compute the value of MCN, where M could be greater and equal to 1, N could be greater equal to 0, and M always will be greater than N. Okay. So, here a function called with value M and N. Here they have asked what will be the expression at the place of E, and otherwise this will calculated as followed in else part. Okay, so as we know how we calculate MCN. So suppose we have value 3 as M and 2 as value N. So 3C2, if we are going to calculate 3C2, how will we calculate? Factorial 3 divided by factorial 2 and 3 minus 2. As we know the formula of NCR factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. So the value will be 3. When we are going to calculate MCN or NCR, when we get 1, because if statement won't return 1, so what are the conditions when this MCN returns 1? So there could be two conditions. What are those? First, let us suppose we are taking M, C, N. Okay. So if M equal to N, suppose we are taking a condition where M equal to N. So what will be the value of this? Factorial M upon factorial N into factorial M minus N. Okay. So factorial M minus 1. So here if M and N are equal, so this M minus N will be N minus N or M minus M. So this term will become 0. Okay. And here because it is M and N are equal, so this will be cancelled. So what will be our output? Output will be 1. Okay. So in the case where M and N are equal, then it will return 1. Or the case where N is 0. Suppose here we have taken M, C, 0. So what will be the value? Factorial M. Okay. Divide by factorial 0 and factorial M minus 0. Okay. So here as we know the value of factorial 0 will be 1. Okay. M minus 0 will be factorial M. So it will also output as 1. So there are two conditions where MCN will give output 1 when either M and N are equal or M or N is 0. Okay. So let us confirm this thing. Suppose we have taken 3C2. As we know we got the value 3 when we will do this 3C2. Okay. So according to this program, suppose we are calculating 3C2, then value of M will be 3 and value of N will be 2 when it is passed here. Okay. So if M equal to N, here when call is going for 3C2, no. So we will go in else part. In else part, what will be the function call? Function M minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. And N, what is the value of N? That is 2. So the function call will be made for function 2 comma 2 plus, because M and N are equal, and next call will be M minus 1 and N minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 and 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. So first this will be calculated. So because M and N are equal, so here 1 will be returned. Now this function call will be go here. So because 2 and 1 are not equal, So we will again go for else part. Okay, so what will be here? M minus 1. So 2 minus 1 1 and n. So value of n is 1 plus function m minus 1. So what is the value of m? 2. 2 minus 1 1. N minus 1, what is the value of 1? 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Because this is here 1 and 1 are equal, so it will return 1. And here value of n is 0, so it will also return 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 will be returned here. And for the actual call, this will be returned as 3. Okay. So which is the actual answer for 3C2. So when we are getting 1 in two conditions where m equal to n or n equal to 0. So here correct option is option C. Either n equal to 0 or m equal to n. If one of the condition is true, then we will return 1. Not necessarily both condition should be true simultaneously. So this AND condition is not required. So D option is not correct. So our correct option is either m equal to n or n equal to 0. So correct option is option C. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Thank you.